Yep. Yep. What's good? What's up? What's happening? Damn. This shit just doesn't stop going up. What the fuck? I'm just looking at it now. Shit's fucking crazy, yo. I need some water. Fucking NQ. How do you trade this shit? It just keeps going higher and higher. Who trades this shit? Rick, Kate. My screen is black? Ah, shit. Why does that fucking happen? Oh, my bad, guys. Sorry, chat. Thank you. Tick Daddy, K9, Olivier, Brandy, Rick, K9, JK. Thank you for letting me know about the black screen. I don't know why that happened, but it did. Timothy Chapo. Searching for your soul. Bro, I feel you, man. I feel you. I really do. And then, like, I saw this happen, right? This little drop. And then I did some run, I had to do some running around. I was all over the place. So I didn't see what happened after that. And here we are, fucking, you know, making new highs, new all time highs. It just doesn't fucking stop. Doesn't make any sense. What's crude doing? Even crude, I mean, crude was up as in like the 110 territory today, right? Crude hit 110, 111, 110.93. Oh, look at that. Nice little fucking spot right there. But yeah, it's kind of like not doing shit. Gold. Ooh, hey. You had the 707 rejection here for just based on this wick being the high, because that was the high. It popped right when we opened. That dropped 200 ticks, and then we basically got up to the same shit right here, and then you had the fucking, there's a 786 with the same, actually, no, it doesn't matter anymore. Whoops, never mind. Disregard. But yeah, I mean, it retested the same area, but this is null and void at this point. And if I go here, not exactly a 786 bounce, not even close. But right now we're about at the 707 or the 786 to the other direction, the other way. But I'm scared. Does it want to, this like here, we didn't quite get up there. We went lower and then almost retested the high, 21 ticks away, 2 points away. And then here we are again. Is it going to push and make a new high on the day? I have no fucking idea. But this isn't a bad spot right here. You take this low, this high. Look, 707. I need water. Amon, Colby. Timothy, yeah, me too, bro. Pretty much. It was 5 months for me. Trader J. The Pogo deal for the pro accounts. I don't know. I still have evals that I was able to reset from the rapid Pogo. And I just think the rapid plan is better. How am I doing with payouts these days? Awful. Colby, what's a minimum profit day on a 100K? $200? How hard can it be? Money Mitch. Pure Emotion 0x. I didn't make that one. Did I? Well, I might have. It started off, Alfred sent that shit to me. And then I think I went into ChatGPT and added some shit. It was a collaboration. Yeah, Olivier, that's all fine and dandy, bro. But I want to get back to I want to be consistent with the nice months. Does it need to be 40K every month? No. I mean, yeah, but no. If I could just be consistent doing 20, 30, even 40, or even more, 50, 80, I don't care, but something, not what I did this month or last month. I want to be in a place where I want to be making, for every dollar I spend on a prop firm account, I want to be making like 5 minimum. If that makes sense. But really, I want to have a better split than that. But minimum. If I spend $1,000, I want to make 5,000. If I spend 10,000, I want to make 50,000. That's how I want to look at it. But I want it to be a bigger spread. But 5 to 1 is a good fucking place to be. Colby, yeah, bro, you'll get there, man. Just wait. Like Amon said, it's so hard to not wait when you just need that last little bit. So look, we just hit the 786. Do I think we pull back from here? I don't know. I'm scared. Oh, there we go. Oh no. Am I chasing this? Oh, I don't even have what happened to my groups? Yo, why did my groups just disappear? The fuck. I had a group. It's not there anymore. There it goes. Am I gonna fucking miss this? It's already down 18 ticks. Oh, I don't want to chase. I don't want to fucking chase, man. I just don't. Oh, fuck you. It's not gonna. Whatever. Yash. This shit's gonna fucking flush, and I fucking missed out. I mean, it's already down 20 something ticks. I just don't want to chase it. I don't want to fucking chase. And I do, and then if I don't chase, it's gonna dump. If I do chase, it's gonna go back up. That's where my fucking PTSD is in with my trading. You see, guys? But that's a nice 786 right there. It's fighting. It's already down 36 ticks. If I had an order there, I was a little late to the party, but if I had an order there, I would have been up to 400, 300 something dollars. Fuck. And then it's torture watching it go down without you. I could have just got in and chased here. I just didn't want to. Look at that shit go. Beautiful. 46 fucking ticks. 50 ticks. Oh my God. There's the VWAP. $23 and 36. Or 37. 60 ticks. Trader J. Holy shit, bro. I get it. I mean, that's rough. And I'm not saying it like I'm like picking on you, but that's, I don't know what I'd do if I went that long. I'm going crazy. Look at how I'm acting now. I'm going fucking crazy. And yeah, Rick. I don't know. Why don't you submit a ticket and ask them on my behalf? Just everybody in the DCA gang is wondering when you're gonna give Jay his live account. 70. That shit went down 70 ticks. What a nice fucking drop. You see, guys? Of course I missed that one. But the next one that I put an order in for is just going to blow right through it. Pamela. Nice job. Very nice job. You want to see something interesting? And sure, you could say it's the VWAP. It's a confluence, including the VWAP. Does it? I don't know if it's going to keep going up, but here you go. 786. For now. It went up 25 ticks. That was 25 fucking ticks, yo. Don't think it's coming down anytime soon. Sorry, 20. Now it's 25 ticks. It might. We got the VWAP there. Oh, Brandy, I didn't see your question about the My Fund the Futures Rapid account. I think good things about it. It's just like a Take Profit Trader account. like a 50K take profit trader. It's almost the same. You got to get a little more before you can request. You can't request until you get to 2,600 on a 50K. Because they have a safety net or a buffer of 2,100, and your minimum request is 500. So you need 2,600 in reality. Maybe this level is holding, huh? Huh? Almost 30 ticks. Rick. What about, yeah. You asked me when Apex Live. I said submit a ticket on my behalf and ask them. I know as much as you do. Yo, Jono, what up? Yeah, they're a good account. It really all they're great. Anytime you could get a day one payout potentially, although I'm not advocating for someone to try to push for a day one payout, but daily payouts, if you get over the minimum requirement to do so, and you could do it every day until they push you live, sign me up. Before that, Rick, let me ask. Let me look. Hold on. Rick. What's the best promo for an account right now? Again, it depends on your goals. But I still think Take Profit Trader, 40% off a no activation fee is a fucking great deal. Trade day, 30% off no activation fee. It really depends on what you're looking for. My Fund of Futures does have a pass one, get one free deal right now for a cup. It's only, I think it's until the end of tomorrow. It's to get, it's for a 50K pro account. So if you pass one, not only do you get 30% off, if you pass one, you get a free one. They'll send you a code. They'll email you a code just for you. With the best code 0DayJ, it works. You could take advantage of that deal. Lucid, I don't know what Lucid is offering, depending on how many Lucid accounts you may have bought in the past couple of months. But you could get as much as 50% off. It's anywhere between 30 and 50% off. Any size eval, any type. Apex is 90% off. I mean, it really just depends on what you're doing. By the way, in case you guys were not aware, Apex did bring back gold. So if you trade with Apex, you can trade metals. Not just gold, but any metal that they offered previously is back. And what's the best code, Rick? Rick, it's 0DayJ. The best fucking code. I'm so mad about this. I could have been halfway to where I need to be. Where's the NQ? Does the NQ just keep fucking going up? Oh, it's pulling back. Wow. Shocker. $786. Does it bounce there? I don't know. Or are we in for a bigger drop? You know what I'm saying? 618 is at the VWAP with this being the low. And then the lower day, the higher day to the lower day, right? We're not even close. But this area right here is a 786 with this being the anchored low and this being the anchored high. You see, guys? Do I know if Apex brought back bonds? No. Wasn't there a loophole of bonds that was being exploited on every prop firm? Curious what's going to happen here with the NQ. Fuck that shit. Fuck the NQ, bro. Fuck that NQ, motherfucker. Caleb Woodson, what up, man? Rick, my PAs are considered blown. It literally says that on the payout page. I didn't blow the 3 that I had. They were graduated. Yeah, let's go for a little walk. I need some fucking water right now. It just feels like this gold is setting up for the next leg down, but I don't really know for sure. Can't really tell. I don't know. I feel like I already missed it. I missed it. It kind of just died out, but we got a new hour coming, so very possible that fuck me. It's very possible that it'll figure out what it wants to do on the new hour. I thought I heard the old man dog walking around up here. Like it was time for me to have to let him out and shit. I was pleasantly mistaken. Did it just pop like 30 ticks? It does say blown for real. They're not. I didn't fucking blow them. I did not blow them. I was in the middle. I was working on another payout on 2 of them, and another one I just got. They were not fucking blown. But that's what they say in there now. Caleb, no. I don't have anything with Apex right now. I got graduated. I'm waiting to hear back from a live coordinator about it. It's been a couple of weeks. There it goes. Does it go all the way down though? Let's see. 68, 30 ticks right there. Just some new hour fuckery happening right now. Look, NQ did end up bouncing off that 786. See? That's a 786. Actually, this was with this low. This is like a 707 with this low, I think. Let's take a little peek. Let me draw it again. Yep. 786. We bounced from 34, just 11 points. It ain't much. Lucid was never micros. Lucid never fucking changed anything. You could trade oh, this is gold. Oh no, that's the NQ. I could trade gold minis. I just haven't. Because the spread is fucking much fucking wider. Look, I could watch. Well, see? There was never any restrictions in Lucid. My fund of futures, yes. You could go up you can't trade the same size in metals as you can in the NQ, ES. I'm surprised none of these prop firms did it for crude. But you could go up to 5 micros, which is half of a mini. That's what you could do with metals right now at my fund of futures. D-Walk, what up? Just left your job behind Wendy's. No doubt, bro. No doubt. Don't forget to wipe your mouth. What up, Al? D-Walk. You're on your third payout in 2 weeks. Hey, man, you found what works for you, bro. I love that shit. Do you really, Rick? You trade that shit slow as fuck. What are you getting charged for that? What, like $60, $70? I remember those accounts were cheap at one point. $46. That's fucking crazy. Bro, it's worth holding on to. At $46, all in. Yeah, it's worth holding on to and just keep trying. Are you blowing them? Are you blowing them, or are you not them? But are you blowing it, or it's just slow going and then the rebuild comes and whatever? Or Pamela? Yeah, 5 micros is half a mini. You catch up like this move right here. This was 70 ticks down, just about, right? 36 to 68. Let's just say it was an even 70 ticks. With 5 micros, that's $350. Before fees. It's $5 a fucking tick. It's cursed. Bro, I'm telling you, you're getting closer, bro. You're getting closer. All right, let's see what this new hour is going to bring. We're just going to cuck around until I can see it going down, but who the fuck knows? Maybe it's establishing a base and going to go higher. It's a year old, bro. Yo, one day. $10 is what? 100 ticks. That's $500 with 5 micros. It's still a good trade. It's a great trade. What's crude doing? I didn't even look at crude yet. Oh, I did look at crude before. Never mind. Just looks fucking thin. But look. I mean, 786. How convenient that we get to 786 right at the new hour. And it's bouncing now. And you got the lower the VWAP band right there. Nice little confluence. Does it do anything? I don't know. It's already up 9 ticks. This shit's just moving fucking slow. Uh-oh. Robert Gallus, what up? Lance, what up? What's good? This is what I was curious about. Was it establishing a base to go back up, or is it just fucking cucking around to go lower? Am I gonna do a special Cinco de Mayo stream? What am I supposed to do? Wear a sombrero? You want to? I'll show you my taco. Yeah, Lance. And there it is. We just went. Now we're up. We went up like 33 ticks from this last low right here. Maybe it's going to retest the 707 or the 786 and then drop. I'll do like the Chappelle show. It's leopard. That shit was so fucking funny, man. Only Dave Chappelle could get away with the shit that he did. No one could be mad because he literally made fun of everyone. You just gave me a great idea. Oh, there it is. There it is, chat. So we dropped from 36 or 37, like 360 or whatever. $437, almost 100 ticks, 80 something ticks. What is that on Tuesday? Oh, and it's on Taco Tuesday, bro. So that was nice. I'm just curious. I'm just curious where it bounced. Is it just going to retest? Is it just going to retest the VWAP? Or is it going to go lower? Like retest it to go lower, or did we just like there's a 707 with this being the low? There's a 618 with this being the low. I really hope it comes down here. Crazy Tone, what up? Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. But I remember I didn't want to chase over here. I was like, that was me going, and then now look where we're at. Even from there, we're down fucking 70 ticks. I'm so fucking annoyed. It's so fucking annoying. I'm so fucking annoying to myself about how I've been trading lately. It's so fucking frustrating. You're trying to wait for New York, Lance? Damn, look at the NQ. Did the same shit. This is interesting right here. We wicked to the VWAP, and then we fucking came and retested the 786. We went how many points below the 786? 4 points below the 786. Came back into the fucking fib, into the golden pocket. Came back down, retested the 786, and now we might go up. You see, guys, setting buys, yeah. I still, you know what I've been doing a lot lately is just chasing, just getting in, just to get in, thinking it's going to go in either, a certain direction instead of waiting. But I've gotten burned for waiting too. Like, what if this fucking flash dumps and flushes and makes new lows? It could happen easily. What's to stop that from happening, like, for reals? Also, shit, I wanted to do something here. Like, there. Whoops. Wrong. I mean, first of all, before I delete this, look at that 786 rejection. Now it's 100 ticks. Now we're down just about 100 ticks. There we go. There's your 100 ticks. Fuck me. That's $1,000 with one fucking micro. One mini. 10 micros. I want to get rid of this and draw another fib on a little bit of a larger time frame from this high. That's the high. The low anchor is down here, the low a day. But that's a nice drop. I'm about to get filled. AS, what's good? All I had to do was just chase over here, and I'd have $1,000. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! There it goes. It's gonna keep going. Where's the NQ going? NQ's kind of cucking around right here. Look at Are you fucking joking? I moved this down a little bit. I would have gotten filled on that. Look. One tick. I moved it down like 3. Fucking amazing. It never fucking fails. That's the shit that fucking puts me on tilt. This type of shit. That's one fucking tick. That's how right I am. I'm so fucking right so often, and I get fucked for it. JK. It's a pubic holiday. Where's it a holiday? What holiday is it? The shit just dropped. We just dropped 120 ticks. Rick, I've done that before. I think I'm gonna get filled in. Oh my god. That's why I had an order at the 707, and it blew right through it. I had this order up a few more ticks and I would have gotten filled. But now I don't know. This looks, I'm a little nervous right now. The NQ's doing the same exact fucking thing. What's crude doing? Wow, crude's even doing the same fucking. What the fuck? Now they're all moving together? All I had to do was chase. I would have had 100 ticks. I was like, right here. That shit right there is what fucking gets me. Check the Discord. Oh. Okay, I asked, yeah. Was not aware of this. So what does that mean? All of these markets are closed? The Euro markets? Is the Indian market closed? Good looks, AS. Good looks. See, look, I mean, if I would have just left my order, I'd be up like $200 right now. Spread his ass wide. Can I check your asshole, sir? I'd be up $300. It's yeah, except for the U.S. What up, Mike? And then when we have Labor Day, we're the only ones because we have to be the only ones. We're so fucking cool. Look at that 786 bounce though. I just missed getting filled by a fucking tick. It's up fucking 30 ticks. Pamela. Yeah. I think you'll be okay. We'll see though. Got to worry about this right here. This fucking wick and this excuse me, right there. That's going to be a problem. Look, I would be up fuck, man. I would be up fucking another $300 if I got filled. Do you know how fucking annoying that is? Adam, what's good, bro? What did I say about this shit here and this shit right here? Can it keep going through it? Yeah, but I mean, who knows? I would love for this to be a scam V. Fucked up. It's so fucked up. One tick, and I would be up fucking almost $600, which would put me over 2,000. Yeah, if you trade in the NQ, for sure. It's crazy. Look, remember what I said about this fucking level right here? This and this. It's just so fucking typical. I'll put that order back in there again. I don't know if it comes all the way down here. It probably will. Vero, what's up? See, I would have been happy with $600 or 500, maybe. Possibly. Now I got nothing. Uh-oh. $786 came back, retested to 707, and now it could go higher. Yeah, I'm back. Why wouldn't I be trading gold? Pharaoh, I trade gold all the time. I just also trade the NQ, and I like trading crude now. I'm in Lucid. If I could trade, I trade gold where I can. And if it's tradable. Clinvale, what up? We are. Oh, Mike, I really appreciate that, man. Bullhead 777 for anyone else who's wondering. He said, "Brother, I wanted to just pop in and say how much I appreciate your channel without any of the guru nonsense. I appreciate how real it is here and none of that fake BS." Well, that is my burner account. Thank you, Mike. I appreciate that, man. It means a lot. I never really thought to do it any other way than how I do it. Yeah. Oh, Vero. Yeah. I was thinking you were. That's what you were alluding to, but nah. Nope. Still can't. But anybody else who can, you know who could trade. You know who could trade gold on Apex? Fucking all the other influencers and affiliates. Just not me. Simplistic. What's up, man? It's been. I mean, this is the only training I've done so far, and I just missed getting filled before by a tick, which I would have had like $600. Yeah, medals are back on for Apex. D-Walk. Yeah, I'm a little nervous too, bro, because I'm in long and gold and everything's moving together. Look at the chart. This is gold. This is the NQ, and then this is fucking crude. You can't tell them apart. Obviously, like I have different variation, like my zoom is varying, but you can't tell them apart. They all look the fucking same. There, look at that. There's crude. Here's gold. Crude, gold. NQ. Identical. Keegan Murphy, what up? Coach HID in the place to be. The move was to fucking chase this. We literally had a perfect 786 rejection from 437 to 311. 126 ticks. We had this little cuck in the way in between, but then the new hour came and then it fucking flushed some more. Yeah, the next couple of hours are going to be fucking wacky, but it's going to move. iTrades, what's up? Yeah, I'm hoping to pass these. I could have had them past taking this drop and then taking that bounce. But no. Why would I do that? Why would I take the easy way? I think the next stop for this is the VWAP. If it could get through this, you see this right here? You got this fucking wick and you got this. We just rejected off of it. So what I think is going to happen is it's going to go to the next fucking level, which is like right here. You know what I mean? Like you got this right here, the bottom of this cuck zone, and then you got this right here. These fucking candles, man. I've been seeing that happen a lot lately. This is going to be the bigger test, getting through this shit, which also happens to be the VWAP. But I could be wrong. This could just hold here. Look at rejected again. Same fucking spot. Fucking amazing. Of course it would. Of fucking course, chat. Kind of look like a double top. You got an upside down whack Arnold's W here. Yeah, Vero. New month fuckery, all that shit. Oh, this thing died. Fuck. Where's my charger? Oh, I could have left that in. Fuck. Uh-oh. Look, this shit fucking held. You gotta be fucking kidding me, bro. Gotta be fucking kidding me. Now we're gonna find out what it wants, if it wants to fucking go down lower. So much for that. So much for that. It didn't want to penetrate to the next level. It couldn't make it. It couldn't penetrate. Look, the same shit happened here. Look. Having trouble getting over this right here and this right here. Crude. Oh, crude. Crude went lower. But crude couldn't get over this, past this right here. I don't know. I don't know, chat. Yeah, we had 80 people on. Now we went down to 71. It's fucked up. This shit is fucking not looking good. Also, like, I stayed in that trade because I just missed getting filled by a tick. So I want more. And I would have been, if I was in with both, right, I would have trailed it up until this area right here. I would have gotten like $400 or $500. Instead, I had like 150 tops or 200, I guess, for a fleeting moment. And now, you know what I mean? Now I might go red. And if it drops low, if it comes down again, it might go lower. It might go down here. You know what I mean? Vincenzo, what up? Yeah, D-Walk and Adam. Trading all-time highs is fucking hard, man. NQ, fucking, I mean, look, there's nothing. There's nothing to the every fucking trading view fucking tab I have open is fucking on GC because I restarted my laptop. Awesome. What do? This is the daily. There's nothing to the fucking left. You know what I'm saying? Shit's fucking, we're in no man's land. No man's land. J Min. Oh, I'm killing it, all right. Dan K. Because Asia will give you what we just got. It did it twice. We just dropped 120 ticks. Sure, we had this in that got in the way because we were approaching new hour fuckery, but that was a nice move there. Look at the move up. The move up was even better. This is gold. Look at this. Look at this move. Look at this. Look at that. I mean, there's plenty of opportunities. Oh, I'm fucking red. Here we go. Now I'm going to get filled. Yep. This time I'm not, I don't think I wish I didn't. The first time is what I really wanted. I mean, this is a decent move. Look, NQ fucking bounced and went up from 24. I mean, that's not a huge move. It's 50 points, but it's back down 50 points. It just took what? Almost an hour. Well, this is like an hour and a half worth of fucking movement right here. This little fucking shit right here. Look, see, I'm getting fucked. This is what I get for not getting filled by a fucking tick before. And now look, now it's going to keep going down. I should have canceled the order. That's what I got to recognize too. Like, not wait and see. When it fails and what I thought was going to happen doesn't happen anymore, I could have gotten out here and be like, you know what? Fuck it. Now I'm down $400 from being up 150 and almost could have been up 500 or 600 if I got filled. I missed getting filled by one tick before. Now I'm down fucking 400, 300, 200, whatever, 266. Oh yeah, Dan, yeah. Oh, gold is amazing during Asia. Roger Adams, what up? Muggs, what's good? Yeah. Yeah, this range market, this whole fucking thing sucks. This fucking thing sucks. Can something cool happen? We're retesting this level here. I just don't know. This is the same exact thing that happened here. Same exact fucking thing, just a little tighter. So maybe it'll go up again, and then the next time it'll go down and look just like it, a little tighter. But I don't know. I probably feel like I'm going to get fucked. I already feel like I'm going to get fucked. Yeah, Muggs. Yeah, a lot of people. Yeah. AS just shared a fucking graphic of like all the countries on Labor Day right now. A lot of European countries. France. A lot of European countries. India. France. Is that Australia? AUD? I don't even know what the fuck that is. CHE. Switzerland. Spain. Italy. Sweden. Damn, Muggs. You gotta be fucking kidding me, man. This is... Look, I did not chase this short. I didn't chase. I could have gotten in here. I'd be up $1,300 chasing there. If I got the 786, look at the 786. 140 ticks. Now I'm gonna fucking make it work. And of course, it's gonna go. Look, I'm gonna blow these accounts. Another fucking batch of accounts that are halfway up is going to make new lows. I'm so glad I fucking didn't cancel my orders, and I'm so glad I added there. Fuck it. Let's make it end quicker. Let's see if this low a day holds. We just made a new low, actually. We just made a new low. Is this going to, it's going to reject over this level and go lower. So fucking stupid. I'm so fucking stupid. God, I fucking hate myself. This is what I do. This is what's been happening. I get fucked by one tick, and instead of retesting that 786, it fucking just blows right through it. I get punished for being patient, and then I do dumb shit like add, and then it keeps going against me. Instead of just taking the L, like I don't even want these accounts anymore. I don't fucking want them. I'd rather fucking start. What are they at? I'd rather start with fucking $2,000 of drawdown, but it's fucking, these accounts aren't cheap. They're not Apex evals. Fucking sucks. What'd the NQ do? The NQ didn't even do anything. It's still hanging. What about crude? I think crude dropped. Crude's bouncing. But I don't know if that means it's gonna fucking gold's gonna bounce. Fuck, man. Look at that. 256. 180 ticks. This is what's been going on too. I just give up on accounts after shit like this happens. I just don't fucking care anymore. I'm so fucking just jaded by how the last 2 months have gone for me that I don't know. My mind is just not in the right, it's not in a good place. Pamela. Yeah, you and me both. There we go. Here comes the new lows. And then here comes my blown accounts. Oh, don't worry, they'll blow. Every fucking time. Every fucking time. All I needed to do was chase here or get filled. This is what keeps happening to me. And now it's going to fucking pump. What a fucking waste. I keep fucking just setting myself. I'm not even, forget about the money, right? Which also sucks. I'm setting myself back by time every fucking time. It looks so bad. I'm so fucking bad now. I'm so fucking bad. Fuck, man. I told you that was going to happen. I fucking knew that was going to happen. I fucking call it out and then I just watch it happen. And now I got to get new accounts. There we go. Now it's going to fucking pump. Faisal. Dan K, I can't afford to take a mental reset. You know when I take a mental reset? When I go to the gym and blow off some steam, and when I go play baseball. But I got so much shit swirling around in my fucking head right now that but where did it start? Where did it start? I missed getting filled by one fucking tick right here. And I could have had $500 or $600. What else did I do? I fucking was a little late to the party on the 786 rejection. We're down fucking 200 ticks now. And I was thinking about chasing here and I pussied out. And then look what I do. I fucking second guessed the banger smart shit. And then I get fucked on the fucking dumb shit. And I just let it happen. Yeah, this is gonna fucking pop. It's just so fucking annoying. D-Walk, yeah, man. I don't know. All I like, I play, I do the, if I do the things I second guessed, um, these accounts are passed, and I'm fucking activating new funded accounts for the stream. But instead, I'm just making myself look like a fucking loser again, making myself look like fucking pathetic, like awful. I'm awful. I'm so fucking bad. I'm fucking tired of it. But don't worry, I'll get $1,500, no problem. Don't fucking worry. I'll get the first 1,500, no fucking problem. And then yesterday, I passed 5 evals with Lucid, and then what do? I fucking blow the accounts as soon as the market reopens, like a fucking pussy. I'm like fucking broken. I'm broken. I don't really know how else to put it. I'm broken, and I'm not getting. I'm just fucking stuck in this fucking rut. Fuck me. I can tell you one thing. When I was on that heater, where I made fucking 120 grand in 3 months, I wasn't second guessing myself. And if I was, it was like fucking 20% of the time. So now I just got to start all over again with fucking Lucid. They were halfway up. I missed getting filled. I don't know. I'm just fucking over it. What I really want to do is like, forget about taking a mental break. There's been times I'm like thinking about fucking quitting. And I know that's not going to happen, but like I've thought about it a lot. The last fucking couple of weeks, I'm like, why am I even fucking doing this? Why am I even fucking doing this shit? That's how it's been. And I'm fucking profitable overall since day one. But this last fucking, especially this month, I got $2,300 in payouts after doing 120K December total between December, December, January, February combined. I don't know. Maybe I'm just overreacting, but man, it just literally the same fucking shit keeps happening. What you just saw happens to me all the fucking time. No matter what I do, I get fucked. And then I make it worse. I second guess here to go short. I missed this entry here. I second guessed right here. And then I watched it fucking dump more than enough for me to get my $1,500 day. And I missed getting filled here by a tick. Of course, after getting filled up here, missed getting filled here, it goes up enough where I'd be up like $600. I could have trailed and taken a fucking some profit, taken some gains. And then what do? I get filled. I say if I get filled again, it's gonna blow through it. And what happened? Exactly that. And then now it's probably gonna go up and fucking be up here. I'm disgusted. I don't want to fucking look at this shit anymore. And I'm gonna fucking come back and it's gonna be up here somewhere. I know it. I fucking know it. It's the same fucking thing every fucking time. Even like today during Power Hour, I just wanted to get a quick little flip in on trade day. I forgot to fucking create a group and activate the group. And I did it in one account and I fucked this account up. Look at this account. Fucking stupid. I'm fucking stupid. I just keep fucking up. I'm just a fuck up. I've been telling people this is what I really am. This is what I always was. And then the 5 months of me doing 146 grand and being very fucking profitable was just an aberration. And it just feels like it because this is what it is now. This is what it is. It feels like a fucking aberration. And this is who I really am. I'm back to my true form. Fucking sucking. It's fucking depressing. And then I'm talking it out loud with everybody because I'm just being honest and real and telling you how I fucking feel, you know, and it just makes it worse. I just feel worse. Just tired of what is the definition of insanity? It's doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. And the same shit just fucking happened again. I could have fucking got out of the trade and said, I'm just going to wait. Or maybe I flipped short because it just looked awful. D-Walk, yeah. Yep, it feels awful. Oh, look, it's going lower. Oh, guess what? I'm down in these. Hold on. There we go. Guess it wants to go lower. I'll just let this shit drop all the way until I run out of drawdown on this. I don't even fucking care. Bullhead. Nah. I was downsized, and then it's when I make the irrational decisions. I'm fine with a mini. I could live with a mini or two, and then I just get frustrated, and you saw what happened. I'm not downsizing shit. That's not the issue. The issue is this fucking shit right here. My head is fucked. Dan K, I'm well aware of that. I'm just being honest. I'm not talking negative. I'm just telling you what's going on and how I'm feeling. I feel like shit. Maybe it comes across as negative, but that's how I feel right now. I feel like fucking shit. You want me to lie? Would you rather I lie and just believe everything's fucking great? Like all the other fucking gurus, all the other fucking people who have channels, everything's fucking perfect. Lieutenant Dan's Trades. Thanks, bro. No, I'm good. I remember when you were trying to fucking like coach me or some shit when I was going through other struggles. Where were you when I was doing a fucking 40 grand a month? Where were you? JP, what up? It's so funny when certain people come out and have shit to say. The timing. Certain people don't fucking say a goddamn thing when I'm fucking killing it. And then when I'm fucking struggling, everybody has something to fucking say. I gotta let this dog out before he fucking shits all over the floor. Let's go. Come on. Come on, buddy. This way. Come on, buddy. This way. Come on, hurry up. This way. Go. Come on. Keep going. Go. Keep going. I just find that shit funny. Everybody wants to fucking coach me on what I need to do now because you see me struggling. It's fucking funny. I can't see the chat. You stopped by and I was an absolute dick about it. Glad to see. Yeah, just funny because you were fucking. I just remember you, bro. I just remember. I just remember when I was going through some shit in September. You were like trying to fucking like coach me. I don't know what the fuck you wanted to do. Cool, man. No problem, bro. Yeah, the money hasn't changed me. Yeah, I'm completely different because I went on a good fucking stretch. I've been making money for fucking a long time, bro. It's not my first time making money. Yeah, maybe I should just hide everything. Hide my balances, hide my accounts. Act like everything is perfect. He's not even a hater, but his timing is he always I just know I just remember. That's all. And he's not the only one. Not picking on Dan, but it just sticks out to me. That's all. What happened, Dave? I don't know. I just blew another bunch of accounts being a dumb fuck. Yeah, Dan K. I mean, that's listen. You're. Oh my god, he's fucking shit like 20 feet away from me, and he fucking stinks. But I get it, bro. I get it. And if anybody has a fucking problem with what I have to say, then get the fuck out of here. How about that? You don't like it, then fuck off. I really don't fucking care. You weren't helping the community. You were fucking trying to fucking poach, bro. You were poaching. I don't like fucking poachers in my fucking community. You gotta earn that shit. You were fucking poaching. There's ways to provide value. You weren't providing any fucking value. You might as well have been fucking. You might as well have been jumping, preying on people in their inboxes, trying to get them to buy fucking max size fucking Padilla accounts like Dan. You think I'm fucking stupid? One-on-one coaching, cool, man. You're still pushing it right now. You don't even realize you're doing it. Hey, build your own fucking shit. Build your own shit. And then he gets mad at me. And he's getting mad at me right now because I'm fucking calling it how it is. Thank you, MRC. I picked up some consulting contracts. I'm not taking students. I have my own shit. Cool, man. Cool, bro. I love that for you. Good shit, man. Good shit. That's great. You were poaching like a motherfucker in my fucking Discord that I busted my ass to fucking build. You were poaching off of my back, off of my efforts. You didn't provide any. You should have just provided value in there. You didn't provide any value. But that's cool, man. You do you. Yeah, look at the gold. Just keeps going down. Sweet. Did the NQ do anything yet? No, NQ's just cucking around. Cool, man. Dawson. I just taught the stream how to. I provide no value. Are you serious? If I provide no value, how come there's 1,500 people in my Discord that hang out all the time? And there's how many people are on here right now? 100 people on here on a fucking Thursday night? Surely they have something better to do. Yeah, exactly, Mike. iTrays, that's rough. Yup, you're here laughing. Yeah, what are you doing here then? Oh, everybody's here laughing, right? Oh, so look at you. Listen to how you act. You acted like you were my friend, you were trying to help, and now what are you doing? Now you're just shitting on me. Now you're showing your true colors. Hey, you guys should hit him up for one-on-one coaching. Oh, sorry. He's not taking any one-on-one coaching students anymore. He's got some consulting people. Now we know who you really are. I attacked you? I just called you out for your bullshit. That's all. And here we are. It's cool, man. Hey, I'm going to make it easy for you, bro. Anyway. Marcos, always. Acting like he's acting like he's trying to help. I don't provide any value. So when I fucking worked my ass off, it took me 2 years to pay off all of my tuition, and I fucking showed it all. I showed everything, the whole fucking journey. There's no value in that. Why? Because I didn't offer anyone one-on-one coaching. Fuck out of here. Yeah. And then like if I actually took his one-on-one coaching, he'd be able to tell. He used me he would use me to pitch to other people. Yeah, I'm coaching 0 Day J. I'm the reason why he was able to pay off his tuition. Yeah, fuck you. Get the fuck out of here. Go create a fucking burner and talk shit, bitch. That's all you could do now. Build your own fucking channel. The guy was nowhere. The guy was a fucking missing in action when I went on my little fucking tear, my 5-month tear, MIA. As soon as I start struggling, he starts coming back around. If that's not fucking fake as fuck, then I don't know what is. Having shit to say. It's not, you know what it is? It's not always what you say, it's how you say it, and the context and the timing. That's what fucking pissed me off about what he said. It wasn't that big of a deal, but it was who said it, and what the history was. There's more context than what just is in this fucking stream. Yo. You want to eat, bro? You want to eat? And then look how he acted. Look how he acted under just a little bit of pressure. A little bit of pressure. Then he fucking showed who he really was. He was saying that he's here laughing with everybody else because I provide no value. I provide no value, and the only reason everyone is here is to laugh at me as I blow accounts. There's your fucking coach right there for you guys. When you see him around on all the Discords poaching people for coaching students, you guys should hit him up and ask him, beg him.
Yeah, I've never seen any proof from him. He'd show a couple of fucking days. Oh, yeah, look at this. Look how much money I made today. Okay, cool. Cool, man. Is this fucking cocksucker hitting me up on fucking sliding into my DMs right now? Let's see. Let's see if this fucking jerk off is. Yep. He's blowing up my DMs. So mad. It's not that serious, man. Just move on. It's okay, bro. Just move on. I knew it. I fucking heard the bloop, bloop, bloop. It's not that serious, bro. Go hang out on someone else's stream. Oh my God, it just won't stop. What up, DBT? Yeah, exactly, MRC. We're all just fucking hanging out, looking at these fucking charts, trying to make sense of what the fuck is going on. It's still going. It's like, it's still going. Why are you blowing up my DMs if I provide no value? Oh my God. Come on, bud. Here you go. No, it's not like that. I don't know. He's probably just hurling out. He's probably just fucking hurling out more insult and saying more shit to me about shit or showing me proof. I don't even fucking care what he has to say. I don't give a fuck. There's nothing else for him to say. He already said what he had to say. Right? Did he or did he not? What up, P? DBT, what's good? Was that Dakota's burner? Dakota. Another fucking clown. Oh my God, it just doesn't fucking stop. You guys hear that? You know what I wish you could fucking, I wish there was something, you can't do it on Discord. Like, you know how you could see if it's a setting, but you could fucking like when I fucking send my wife a text, I know she read it. It'll say read, you know? You can't do that on Discord. Leave shit read or unread. Oh no, waiting to clean up. What up, Marcine? Andy, what up? Thank you, man. Nah, MRC. I don't think he's begging or anything like that. I think he's amplified his fucking insults. So I'm not even going to read them. But all it took was a little bit of pressure from me for him to show his true colors. Fresh on Cloud, what up? Nah, I just had to feed my dog, Danks here. The old man dog. Well, I had to let him out before he shit on the floor. That's really what I had to do. That was of the utmost of importance. And then he was hungry, so I fed him. Oh, you want one? You want a couple of cookies, little treats over here, Luna? Yo, Marco, what up? Slovenia. What's going on with this fucking... I'm still in this fucking trade with these fucking My Fund the Future accounts. Listen, I'm usually fucking chill. I'm always chill. But sometimes, I don't know. Certain people rub me the fucking wrong way. They act like they're your fucking best friend at first, and then, you know, or they want to fucking help. He doesn't want to fucking help. He never wanted to help. I don't need his fucking help. I don't need anyone's fucking help. But if we get down below this shit, I'm fucking calling it. That was a nice drop. I mean, we dropped right off the 786. Shit, 250 ticks. Amazing. Amazing. Crude bounced. I don't know. I'm probably going to get stopped out. Oh, I'm not even showing my screen. My bad. There's my screen. Hope that buzzing noise isn't too fucking loud for you guys. Something runs at night, and it's like powered by like the fucking the box that powers whatever's fucking running is in the garage. I have no idea what it is. I've had this house. I bought this house fucking 5 months. I bought this house. I closed on this house on October 30th or some shit like that, or October 3rd. I still don't know what the fuck it is. I've been living in this house for fucking 5 months now. I have no fucking idea what it is, what it's for. I don't know if you guys hear it. So, yeah, this is it right here. This right here. I hesitated about fucking chasing here because I don't like to chase, and I should have, obviously, in hindsight, right? I was like, and then I got filled here, just missed getting filled in another one by a tick, and then it went up like 40 ticks, and I could have had like $500 or $600 there, and then I was still in this one, and then I got filled in that spot that I just missed getting filled by a tick, and it fucking dropped on me, and then I added, and then that's where I blew the accounts. You know, the usual shit. So the saying goes, nothing changes if nothing changes. So obviously I got to change some shit. Maybe I should fucking apologize to Dan, and maybe Dan could just show me through, Lieutenant Dan could take me through and take me under his wing and show me the way. Take me to the next level of profitability as a prop firm trader. The stress on my kitchen is not just my kitchen, Vero. There's so much shit. I don't get any fucking sleep at night. I'm sleep deprived. Why is it always someone named Dan? Yeah. Yeah, thanks here. 100% man. No, I don't have a generator. Oh, I think I know what you're talking. Oh, that's fucking isn't that Dooms? MRC, isn't that Doom Lords? Yeah, Lance. Show how you clean your toilets in a hedge fund. Yeah. 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 Rips is going to use that clip on his next stream. I don't know. He was on the other day. He was hanging out the other day. He hangs out in my Discord. Obviously, not as much because he's got that other thing going on, but he's a homie. He's not a fucking poaching douchebag disguising it as providing value. I love it. He's not acting like he wants to really help. Fresh on Cloud. Yeah, Doom's super chill, bro. Well, nah. Well, I wasn't talking about Dan, but Rick brought him up because it's like a guy named his name is Dan also, and then DBT thought you were talking about Dan Emmons. He just thinks he fucking knows everything and is better than everyone. That's what his issue is. But that's fine. And he acted like he was my friend. Sound familiar? And then fucking stabbed me in the back by fucking talking shit about Apex because he hates Apex and using my accounts as a fucking example, saying, "Oh, all these affiliates have all these accounts." Fucking jerk off, acting like he was my fucking boy. But fuck him anyway. He could let him post fucking in 50 other Discords, copy and paste, word for word. He's not posting in mine anymore. Perdue is 5 weeks behind in payouts. Are you serious, Danks here? Like, I'm not. Is that true? Danks, are you serious? Or are you just like, is that for real? It's just fucking crazy. .5 weeks. And they make, I mean, like, they get everybody they move everyone over to live quick, too. What a fucking drop. What a fucking drop. Oh, well. Listen. I don't not believe you. I mean, if you've seen it, I believe you, bro. I mean, I'm not going to go around and be like, oh my God, and start a Twitter fucking thing about it, but I'll definitely ask around. I'll ask in the Discord. Has anyone else seen fucking Perdue being late on their payouts? That's fucking funny. Cube said the same thing, huh? So there you go. There's two people there. Yeah, Carlos. Hey, at this point, you really can't. There's certain firms I'm not worried about, but that none of them are perfect. What up? What up, kid? You guys fuck with this? This isn't my favorite flavor. I like the lemon. I like the lemon the most. The lemon or the lime, either one of those. Hold on a sec. I need my fucking shit. So, anyway, just here in my garage right now because I could be quiet here and I don't have to worry about the dog fucking having to go out anytime soon. Well, for another hour or two. I don't want to hang out. I'm not going to hang out for another hour or two, though. Sorry to disappoint. Why would I want to hang out for another hour? That's just another hour of everybody laughing at me, right? I don't know if I could go another hour of providing no value. You know? Well, I'm almost back to break even. Do you think it has more in the tank, or does it reject off of this level, which also happens to be my entry? Is Apex still paying? Yeah. Just don't go on a heater with them. Seneca. How many books? Knowledge. I actually got like a big fucking container of like full of books, like one of those crates, like a thing that you store shit in. It's in here somewhere. That's where all my knowledge is. Yeah, I don't really hang out in here. There's no point in me hanging out here when I can fucking hang out in the pod. But right now, my wife is sleeping. So, uh-oh. What's up, buddy? Oh, you going to bed?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah.
All right. Love you.
Thank you.
Sweet dreams. So anyway, I only have my laptop with me, so I can't see the comments unless I go on that tab. My other laptop's upstairs, so I'm just gonna bounce back and forth. Oh shit. Oh shit. Please. That was a nice drop. And I fucked it up. Oh well. The show goes on. It's just funny how everybody comes out of the woodworks and has shit to say when I'm going through a little bit of a struggle. Those same people are never around when I'm fucking killing it. It's the best. And then they get mad at me. Then they get mad at me for calling them out on their shit. How loud is that buzzing? I'm just curious if you guys hear it. You guys have to hear that shit. Like, I can't hear it in the house. I just hear it when I'm in the garage, but it's loud as fuck. Rick, don't worry. I'm going to give you guys all free coaching session. What up? I know who's always here and who only comes around or who only has anything to say when I'm fucking going through some shit. You guys don't hear it? Oh, DBT hears it. That's interesting. Okay. Some of you do, some of you don't. J Min. DJ, I mean, very possible. Very possible. This is the hourly. You got to, this right here was a seven. No, actually, no, it wasn't. This right here was a 786. But if I draw this right here, I'm curious what it is. 707. Yep. We're still like this happened during Thursday session. It bounced off the same level. There's well, that wasn't Thursday's low, but that was the low like after fucking the shit popped. Bounced off the same level. And NQ, you know, who knows? Is it just going to keep going up? Or is it going to finally pull back? This is like hard to trade up all the way up here. All right, I guess they pull back. So literally my entry was resistance. But I'm only down $150. That's like nothing. NQ bounced like 20 points and then pull back. Yeah, it just looks, everything looks, I don't know, looks like ass. I still want to pass these. Maybe I could pass these. Matthew Van Zandt, what up, man? Hope you're doing well. Yeah, gold's great. Just a bad week, Ree. It's been a bad fucking 8 weeks. But I know I'll bounce back. I just gotta fucking get up, get my head out of my ass. I gotta separate. I gotta get better at separating all of my external bullshit, all the shit outside of trading. I gotta get better at separating that from my trading. But it's hard. It's not easy. I might not ever be able to. Let's see if gold's bouncing now. I went a little lower. I don't know. There it goes. Look at that shit. Look at it go. I got taken out at 20 ticks ago. My average fill is right here. Well, not my average fill. This is where I got in. This was my entry. So it came. I moved my stop up just to not, in case it wanted to go lower and make new lows. And it took me out, goes down a few more ticks, and then goes all the way back up. That's like just another thing that happens to me. I need my coach to tell me what I should do differently. Now it's going to keep going up. Now that I'm not in. Lance, that too. And I literally get no fucking sleep. I know that has a lot to do with a lot of my issues. I don't even think I get into REM. I'm not even sure if I ever get to get the REM part of my sleep because I get fucking woken up by this dog every fucking hour, every 2 hours. And even a lot of times more in between because like if he's not getting up to fucking go out because he's got to shit, and if I don't get up and fucking let him make sure he goes out, he's gonna shit on the floor. He's fucking walking all over me on the fucking bed trying to get fucking settled. So yeah, I know, Rick, but man, this one's killing me, bro. It's just killing me emotionally and mentally. Look, this is what I'm talking. Fuck, man. This is why I get fucking pissed. Look, I got stopped out here, and now it's gonna keep going. Now it's gonna fucking. I'm telling you, it's gonna fucking go up like a motherfucker. Where did I get taken out of those? Look, so I got taken. This is where we're back to where I got we're a little bit higher than where my looses got blown. Now, I wonder if I would have been able to sustain that with one. Yeah, probably. 327, 187. I would have been down fucking 100 and I would have been down $1,400 there. We're all laughing. That's why everybody's here to laugh at me. Right? Anyway. $61. Lance, it doesn't even matter what fucking day it is, bro. Literally for the last, and it just gets worse and worse. It's probably been like this like every single night of my life for like the last fucking 8 to 12 months. Yeah, Rick. Yeah, why don't you come in? Why don't you hang out in the Discord and fucking, all you do is maybe show a couple of wins here and there, and then talk about how you one-on-one coach everybody, how you're taking on students for your one-on-one coaching. Don't show any setups. Don't show anything on what you're seeing on the charts or anything. Just show like a couple of wins and be like, yeah, taking on fucking coaching students. Anyone want some free one-on-one coaching? Thanks here, bro. I feel you, man. Oh, Mike Crotch, what up, man? Yeah, Rick. Could you imagine? You know that motherfucker would take all the fucking credit. He'd be on every fucking stream. Saying he did that. DIY tan line class. I would start selling lessons in humidity. Maybe I was a little bit wrong on all of that, but I don't fucking care. Because all it took was for me to do a little bit of poking and prodding for the true colors to come out on that motherfucker. You see what I'm saying? You guys all saw it. So when you see him around fucking pretending like he's your friend, pretending like he's the next guy's friend on their stream, just remember what happened here tonight. Or when you see him in another Discord fucking doing the same shit, acting like he's trying to fucking help. Not DBT. Just rewind with the chat replay on. I don't know if the chat replay works when the stream is still going, but I got to bounce. Where's this shit? All right. I feel a little better that it fucking rejected, but I feel like it's going to just go because I'm not in anymore. I really want to fuck with the NQ on these My Fund the Futures anyway. But not now. I don't know. I'm not feeling this price action, obviously. So I'm going to bounce. I didn't even want to stay on this long, to be honest, but I'm glad everybody stuck around and hung out. Sorry I suck at trading right now, but getting closer to the I'm getting closer to the light. I'm getting closer. We'll go on another run. And then maybe then I'll be providing value because I'll be winning. I only provide value when I win, not in the losing. Right? You can only be winning if you can only be providing value when you're winning. Just remember that, guys. Words to live by. Fresh on cloud. Thank you, sir. Yep. Exactly. Entertainment is also value. And fucking going through the struggle and people seeing that they're not the only fucking ones. Night, night. Keep your butthole tight. Anyway, yeah, I'll tell you guys. I'll be on for Power Hour tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your night. Thanks again. Smash the like button. Subscribe if you're not yet. All that good shit. Peace.